Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover your Roblox account without email and phone number. If you're trying to log into your Roblox account but you don't remember your password during the process and you also don't have access to your email and phone number, then here is how you can recover your Roblox account. Simply go ahead and open up a web browser and in the search box type in roblox.com/support. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in this page where it says contact us. In order to contact Roblox, provide your date of birth, select your month, day, and year. Tap on the next button and on the next page, under contact information, type in your username associated with Roblox. Also, type in your first name on the next field. Since both username and first name are optional, you can also skip the part. Now, it'll ask you to enter your email address. Since you don't have access to your email address, go ahead and type in any other email address that you have access to right now so that Roblox support team can contact you on that particular email address. Now, confirm your email address one more time by typing it again on the next field. Under issue details, select the device you are having a problem on. Go ahead and choose the device you are working with right now. Select the help category from the next field. You can select account hacked or can't log in option, and right where you can see description of issue, type in your problem to Roblox support team. After typing in the description of your issue, you can now go ahead and mention your username associated with Roblox or any other information that you can provide so that your Roblox support team has enough proof that the account belongs to you. And after you are done filling in all of the information, tap on the submit button. Now all you need to do is to wait for your Roblox support team to contact you in the particular email address, and that is how you can easily recover your Roblox account without email or phone number. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.